We're recording.
Today is July 14th, 2004. Throughout the day and all the tape things that are going to be happening, you're going to be seeing what goes on here in the S3 warehouse.
I'm throwing that bike out.
Right now we're doing a little barbecue. I don't know if you can take a look. Does that look good?
We just don't know what happened.
Flip her over real quick. It's not quite working. This here is a little office thing that we do our stuff in. This here is Sergeant Zeller / Skittles. Just say the word, it'll go off. Skittles. Take you on a little tour. This is our little bay area. Not like California Bay Area or anything. If you take a look at the wall here, little artwork. This here, something I like to call a hole in the wall. It's a hole in the wall. And it's marked the yellow thing with the slash ones. Anyhow, this is Reeves. Hey there, Reeves. Check it out. Zoom in over here. I mean, no, don't zoom in. Come a little closer. I don't know if you can hear it, but this guy, every about 3 seconds, he makes a noise. He asks a question. So, he's a good guy. He smokes a lot. He's gonna die of fucking foot cancer. This is where we have all the secret stuff. Notice how it's not really locked. And even if it were, you just walk in here. But we don't want this tape to get out into the hands of the wrong person. The rope explains itself. This pulley thingy. It picks stuff up.
The rope's twisted.
Huh?
The rope's twisted.
I knew that. It helps in the process of fucking not. Anyhow, why don't I twist this? See that? That is how a pulley works, and it's a maximum live load capacity of 110 pounds.
Pounds square foot.
PSF. I don't know.
This isn't very exciting, bro.
Well, shut up! You want me to make it exciting? What's that for exciting, huh? You like that? There's more like it. What the fuck is he doing?
Just throw the bike out there and run it over.
Why are you doing that?
Because Gally also wants it.
You're not like him?
Where's the rest of the bike?
Already in the chicken?
Oh, you already ran over it?
No. I ain't
Is
gonna
he
run.
destroying it?
Yeah, it's gone.
Pop the tires to the trunk. The ramp's stuck in the back. Come help me.
Do I gotta do everything?
Grab a tire, Reese.
What? You're not fucking paid. You
I know they weigh as much.
Fucking Wheeler, man. Where is he?
Hey, dude, hold on.
Alright.
To get these ones.
No, dude, get the big one. Oh, yeah. Bro, what are you doing?
Fucking moving big tires.
Oh, sorry, Reese. Let's see, get it up that.
Dude, I got
Let's see you bring it up the hill now. Hold on. I think Reeves might be more exciting to watch.
flop over and kill him. Not quite. Not Reeves. Where's Wheeler? Don't fucking push those fuckers up that hill. No, he won't. Yeah, he will.
Here we are. We've just crossed into Baghdad. Oh wait, we're in Polgas. Bro's driving a 7-ton.
No, I don't have a license.
No, he does not have a license. He's looking for clearance to the southwest side. Are you cleared? We've been cleared. How are we gonna dump all this shit?
Dump that shit rolling out the back.
You gotta turn. You gotta turn around. There's a big ass puddle of water about.
As others were saying, take it further down with tank trails.
She's a beast. Whoa. Holy shit. It's hard to keep the camera steady when you're
Yeah.
when there's too much paperwork involved. We just dump shit wherever we want. How are we gonna get out of here with all these tires in the way?
Pull forward, dude.
£350 worth of tire.
Exciting, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna send that to real TV. Make the thing land on your head and pass out.
Fucking land on my chin like fucking catfish. Well, Ron, take this down next day. You asked the guy inside.
No, I said not it.
No, that's not what we're talking about.
Yeah, we were.
No, we weren't. Go now. All right, you and me go. You fucking A-drive Galeasso in it 7 times down to the landfill. We'll meet you there. You fucking done, dude?
Check Culver.
Don't look at me, dude. It's your fault.
Is that good, dude? Here, you take these then, dick.
Reeves, let us smoke.
Stick it in that fucking gauge in your mouth. Hold it there.
Yeah. Was it in?
Yeah. That's fucking
Show us, Reeves. I got it
South
zoomed.
North Carolina.
Now smoke it.
Have another cigarette. I know you want to.
You know you want two at once, right?
You know you smoked it once before.
I smoked two at once.
Yeah, it's 2 poles.
It doesn't have an antenna or anything like that either.
What's that?
Yeah. Go down there, chat to it.
Not listening to your crap anymore, bitch. I'm thinking it's hammer time. That's really fucking stupid. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you turned it back on. So I'm going to turn it off.
What? I got you on camera. I got you on camera. Huh? What? You wanna march?
Yeah.
Wanna march?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Stand up. Left, right. You can do it. Let's march. Wanna march with Dada?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Come here. Boy, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you bad. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna get you bad. Here I come. I'm gonna get you again. Here I come. Oh, can you do Madonna? Do it. Madonna. Madonna. Oh, come on. Please, for Dada. Please. 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 Let's do Madonna. 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 12 up. 12 up. 12 up. Okay, all done. All done. All done. Huh? You want to talk?
Yeah.
Tell me about your day. What do you want? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Huh? Where's your eye? John, if you be cute now, you can watch it later. You want to do it at night? Watch. I see you. I see you. You're smiling. John, I see you. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? I see you. I got you. I got you. Alright, I'm gonna turn the light back on. Hold on. Turn the night shot off. I see you. Look at those eyes. Let me see your eyes. Alright, here we go. Huh? Yeah. You wanna watch Baby? You wanna watch Baby?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. I got you on camera. Got you on camera. Do you have anything to say to the public about what you're being charged for?
Yeah.
What do you gotta say, sir? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. You're crying again, dude. It's gonna be on camera. Yeah. You're gonna watch yourself. Huh? Smile. Say cheese. Can you say cheese, please? What do you want? Boots. Yeah, they're in here. Oh, they're in there. Yeah. You're crying again, man. I'm tired of you crying. I'm gonna get you, boy. Oh, no, man. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Go on, go on. Go. Go ahead, go. Bubbles? Boots? What are you saying? You want to play your tambourine? Huh? Camera. Yeah. You want to sing Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain. You want to march?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Jonathan, halt! 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 Left, right, Left, right. Jonathan! Ho! Jonathan, you're doing it wrong. Oh, you better start running, kid. You better start running. You better start running, boy. I'm gonna get you. Hold my hand. No, no, no jumping, dang. Uh-oh. Oh, what is this? Oh, you're lucky you got your fans on.
I just put them on.
Oh, you're lucky.
Yeah, I had a bath. You see how you said it? What you said, Jonathan? He said, you get a bath.
In the bus?
Like you made.
In the bus?
You gotta sing your ABCs.
B-G-G.
No, look at Dad and do it. No, get out of the bath. Get out of there.
No.
No. What? Clever boy.
He looked at me like he was mad at him. He said like this.
Wanna sing your ABCs? John? Let's sing your ABCs. Ready?
See, I can't deal with the publicity.
Telephone.
That's from.
Answer it. Get the phone. Say. Get ready. Say hello.
Hello? Yeah.
Talk to him, John. Talk.
Say, who's calling?
What are you wearing? Tisha?
Oh, it's Keisha.
Tisha?
It's Keisha?
Tisha? Tisha?
Okay. Carissa, you have a telephone call. No, don't press
No, no,
nothing.
no, 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 no. Hello?
Phone.
Oh, I'm dressed. I just got done. I'm about to put on my hat and come outside. Okay.